Hi, it's Anne-Marie. I'm going to talk to you today about natives. We've got some beautiful natives in the nursery at the moment, and here's some examples. So, to bring birds and butterflies and bees to your garden, flowering plants are essential. This one is called Grevillea golden lyre. It's a gorgeous plant getting to 2 meters. It has long yellow flowers and it's really worth planting in the garden. For something a little bit different, this is callistemon or bottlebrush, and it's called purple cloud, and it has purple flowers which are just gorgeous. It only grows around about 3 meters or so, and in quite an upright way. A very good bird and bee attracting plant. If you want a little bit of movement in the garden, this is Pennisetum nafrae. It is a soft grass. It moves beautifully in the wind. It gets to around about 1 meter tall, and then the seed heads sit above that, and they're beautiful blonde. It really is a good environment for small lizards and also for small birds. And if you're looking for some strappy foliage, there's the kangaroo paw. Look at the flowers on that. Birds love reds and yellows, so it is a bird attracting plant. Once again, it's got great foliage. Lizards, small insects can hide in here as well. Now this Grevillea is called honey gem, which I just forgot for a second. It is an amazing cultivar. It was discovered in Stringier, and it's a true Queensland Grevillea. Grows around about 3 meters or so. Bird attracting obviously, and flowers throughout the year, which is what you really want from a plant to attract your insects and birds. If you're looking for something that is very easy care and doesn't get too big, this is the Stringier xenon. So it has a white flower, only gets around about 80 centimeters tall or so, can be trimmed to that nice formal look if you want it for a hedge or as a little ball. And the bees absolutely love this plant. Soft foliage again. And then this, I really like this. This is Eremophila nivea. It's a grafted variety, so it's very good for Queensland. It's called blue velvet because the foliage is so soft and velvety, beautiful silver colour, and throughout the warmer months you have these gorgeous lilac flowers. The native bees absolutely adore this plant. This plant goes around about 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters, and it's well worth planting in your garden just for something different, soft and elegant really. Now when you've got your birds and your bees and your lizards, they need some water, and so a bird bath in your garden will attract birds. It'll also attract insects. And if you place a rock inside, you'll find that the smaller birds will be more likely to come and drink from here because they'll feel like they're not going to fall in. And also your insects like your bees and your butterflies can come and have a drink as well. So yeah, these are really simple ways to attract wildlife to your garden. Thanks a lot.